Are you looking a simple screencasting tool that could help you record from any browser and capture live feedback from viewers? This video is perfect for you because today I will review a great software. This software is called Komodo Decks. This software can help you create and share your HD screen recording video, and also it's easy to screencast from any browser and whip up HD video with zero technical knowledge. Hey everyone, it's Sabek here. Welcome to my channel. In this channel, I will review best digital tools that will be help your business. Before watching our video, let's see guys what I will show you today. At first, I will explain what is Komodo Decks. Then I will explain Komodo Decks founders, Komodo Decks features, how to use Komodo Decks, Komodo Decks pros and cons, Komodo Decks pricing. Is Komodo Decks perfect for your business? So guys, let's dive in. So guys, what is Komodo Decks? Komodo Decks is a user-friendly screencasting solution that lets you create and share HD video, demo, walkthrough and more. Komodo Decks lets you screencast HD video in Snap. Just share your screen, connect your camera and record for as long as you want. You can easily record your video with this software. Just a few steps. You can also use the Chrome extension to start recording directly from your browser with the click of a button. You can also record every single click along the video timeline. Komodo Decks will always save this recording as screenshot in the sidebar, so you can analyze user activity anytime. Whether you need to create product demo, conduct user testing or develop training video, this tool has you covered. Komodo Decks founders. Hanan created this software. Komodo Decks features. Let's see guys what this software provide. This software provide video recording. You can easily record your video, add commentary to section of the screen and segment of the video, track video engagement, guide creation, video editing. You can also video edit, use this tool. Use management and security capability by we have folder management. Mobile apps, iOS and Android, allowing for easy video creation from PowerPoint, Keynote, etc. This software also provides mobile apps, and you can use this software for your Android or iOS phone. AI and transcription based editing. Collaboration, talk about previously recorded voice. No encoding or export, share instantly. Web app, they can also provide web app. When you use this tool, you can easily share your embed your video anywhere, including your everyday tools like Slack, Gmail, Jira and Notion. You can also embed video with GIF summaries that highlight each step so viewer can find what they need fast. Plus, Komodo Decks will automatically send your email notification whenever viewers leave comment on the video. When you use this software, you will get detailed video analytics every day that you can forward to important stakeholders. You will be able to see when and where your video was watched, check the view count and get notified when viewers leave comments. And if you need anything, you can reach out to the Komodo Decks engineering team for features, requests and support. The software provides lifetime access, no code, no stacking. Just choose the plan that's right for you. This plan is only for new Komodo users who do not have existing accounts. This is the feature of Komodo Decks software. How to use Komodo Decks. Let's see example guys how you can use this software.
With the recording, you just press this green button. And when you do that, it asks you, do you want to record the whole screen, a window, or a tab? In this case, I'm going to select window, press share. So you have to give it permissions to access your microphone, which I'll do. And it's easy as that. It's already recording. Some other tips. If you don't want all these buttons to appear, you can just condense them or collapse them this way. And this way you can just focus on the recording. Also, you can turn off the camera if you don't want that to be present as well. So I'm going to stop this for a moment and come back here. Some things that are not obvious is when people see your video or the content that you create in Komodo, when they play it back, there's also an ability to comment. And so anywhere in the video, people can come in, select, and write a comment and say, hey, there's a question about this. And whenever someone does a comment on your video, you will get an email that there was a comment made to your file. Lastly, there's a guide feature, which this video will contain. And what the guide is, which I showed in the beginning, is when we record a video and play it back, every action or every click is recorded on the timeline. And so as soon as this action hits, on the right, there's a screenshot of the action, and people can actually follow along with your video and click the links that you're demoing. So that's a quick intro to Komodo. Hope you like it. Do let us know what you think, and we're here to help always. Thanks.
Komodo Decks Pros and Cons. Komodo Decks Pros. It's very handy to use. This software interface is very easy. You can easily use this software. Free plan. They can provide a free plan. It very cheap. Guys, this software is very cheap compared to other software like Loom, Cloud App, Screencastify. They can provide amazing features. They can provide lifetime deal. You don't pay monthly or yearly. You can just pay one time because they can provide lifetime deal, this software. 60-day money back guarantee. This Komodo Decks Appsumo deals provide 60-day money back guarantee. If you don't like this software, you can easily refund your money. Komodo Decks Cons. Currently, the editing option is not available this software. This is the pros and cons Komodo Decks software. Komodo Decks pricing. Komodo Decks provide 4 license tier option. License tier 1, one-time purchase just $19. All features included. You can use one user. Unlimited video subdomain. When you choose license tier 2 option, you can pay one-time purchase $69. All features above included. 5 users use this software. Unlimited video and also provide subdomain. When you choose license tier 3 option, one-time purchase, you can pay $139. All features above included. 15 users use this software. Unlimited video subdomain. When you want to choose license tier 4 option, you can pay $209 just one time. All features above included. 50 users use this software. Unlimited video. You can create unlimited video and provide also subdomain. This is the pricing Komodo Decks software. You can find this software in my description box. Is Komodo Decks perfect for your business? Guys, if you are a product manager, sales manager, solopreneur, entrepreneur, YouTuber, this software is perfect for you, because when you use this software, you can easily record your video. You can easily record your video from any browser and capture live feedback from viewers. You can also easily share your HD video with anywhere. So guys, I will highly recommend it to purchase this software for your business. You can find this software in my description box. If you want to learn more, you can read all review how people say this software is good or bad. If you want to get 10% discount, you can read my description box. I hope you can easily find 10% discount with this software in my description box. You can easily find this software link with my description box. I hope this video is helpful for you. Make sure to subscribe if you don't miss my next video. Also, if you have any query, don't forget to ask in the comment box. So bye guys.